Good morning friends, स्वागत है आप सब लोगों का. Today is very big news. Many feared dead as a bomb ripped through the wedding party in the Afghanistan, Kabul. As you can see, in Kabul there are 20 dead people were dead in a blast of the Kabul wedding late Saturday. A local hospital said, while witness said he has seen many dead bodies at the scene. You can read this as you can see on your screen. A tweet has been made by the Kabul Afghanistan explosive the hotel during the wedding party. About 20 patients arriving up in our hospital. Moments for how it's a security mistakes, I think.